Welcome everyone, I would like to try to fix the headphone audio buzzing on your Xbox Series S. So here's the deal, right? The reason why it's buzzing is most likely because you haven't plugged in the actual headphone in properly. So you just want to make sure this is plugged all the way through, just push it in, right? So just make sure you hear that click right there. That means that the headphones have been plugged in correctly. You can also fiddle around, like maybe your headphones may be slightly faulty, so you can just like fiddle around, like twirl it around until the buzzing audio goes away. If you try that and that doesn't fix the issue, well, plug these headphones into another device. If you get the buzzing issue still, that means it's an issue with your headphones themselves. If that doesn't happen, then we're going to have to do some other steps. So what I recommend you do is you just unplug your microphone, your built-in microphone. If you can't, then that's fine, just skip the step. If you can, unplug the built-in microphone, see if that solves the issue, because if it does, then that means that it's the microphone which is causing the buzzing issue. You just unplug it just like that and use another one because it's most likely faulty. Otherwise, then we're going to move on to the next step. So what we're going to do is we're going to mess around with the Xbox Series S settings. So what you're going to do is I'm going to show you right here. This is the Xbox Series S home screen. I'm going to zoom in real quick. And so you're just going to open up settings here. And what I want you to do is I want you to navigate to, you see general, click into general, then volume and audio output, click into this one. And you see headset format, you just want to change the format you see here, just mess around with these settings, hopefully one of those will fix the buzzing issue. You also have the additional audio options, you also have here party chat output, you can change this around, see if that fixes the issue, so change from headset to speakers, stuff like that, etc. And yeah, see if one of these settings does fix the issue. If it doesn't fix the issue, almost certainly the Xbox Series S controller then is faulty, so you just want to try another controller instead, like maybe have an old Xbox One controller lying around. You can pair those to the Xbox Series S, and I do have a tutorial on how to do that if you want to. I have just search up on YouTube and my tutorial appears on the top of search. And really, that's all the options you can take. So hopefully you got everything working now. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.